Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is HP Enterprise Flow M776. How to remove and replace fuser kit for this printer. Okay, normally if you want to remove the fuser kit, what you do, you see this door here where you see the this paper tray. This is where you are supposed to open. You press this handle and open the door. Inside here, this is where you find the fuser kit. So this is the fuser kit here. So what you do, you press this side and unlock this side. Then you press also this side and you unlock this. Then you press it in the middle and remove it. So if you have a new fuser kit, you just get a fuser kit the same way. You press it in this space. Okay, make sure that it is entering in its path, it is fitting properly. Then you press it and make sure that that sound comes like it fits properly. So when you remove it, it should not come out. Okay, now this shows that it is secure. To remove it, you have to first unlock these locks. Thank you guys, that is today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification button. In case I upload more videos like this one, you'll be able to see them. Bye bye.